Happy Father's Day. Gonna do a quick few hours, try to get some money before we head down to the relatives to spend Father's Day afternoon cooking out. So, quick tip for you right off the bat, bring some water with you. It's important to stay hydrated. Then you don't have to stop and go to a gas station and waste your money that you just been earning. So, it's important to keep hydrated. All right, let's see what we got. All right, first order, 4 cupcakes from Molly's Cupcakes. If you're ever in Des Moines, check those guys out. It's fantastic. It's the best. They're the best cupcakes you ever have. They're from New York City. They're really good. Too good for Iowa. Anyways, I gotta drop these off and get them out of my car because they're delicious. I would imagine. I don't eat my food. All right, you know what I'm saying. All right, that was a quick drop off over on the east side, Pleasant Hill now. So another $8. Trick to know how busy it is. So if you gotta wait after your last drop off, it's not too busy. If they send you a new ride during your current ride, it's a little busy because they're starting to stack up. Keep track of how many minutes are left in your ride. The normal amount before they start to send stacked up rides is 3 minutes left in your ride. If it starts to get higher, like it's 4 minutes left or 5 minutes left or 6, like last night, that means it's getting busier and busier, and it means that you need to mentally prepare yourself. So just a little tip and a trick that you can keep in mind. If you like these tips and tricks about Grubhub and DoorDash, go ahead, like and subscribe, share this with your friends, share this in any groups or your Instagrams. Just share it to death. You know how it is. Because I'm gonna put out one of these ride-alongs every day that I'm out doing my thing. Because why not? It keeps me from getting bored. So, all right, peace. And yes, I know I'm wearing the shirt because I wore it for half a day yesterday, so I can wear it today. I don't have to explain myself to you. Yeah, I do, because you guys are cool. All right, let's see what the next one is. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in a second. Here's another tip and a trick, or a tip trick. If you're in Grubhub, look at your delivery region. It'll be the big square rectangle will be more red depending on how busy it is. Right now, the area I'm in is not red at all, and downtown is as red as a tomato. So I need to get out of Dodge and start getting downtown. It's gonna be busier the closer I get down to there. So let's do it. All right, next one. About $10 order from Las Loras Mexican on the east side. That was nice because it's about a 3-4 minute drive away. So this should be a good one. Hopefully they get it ready quick. Let's go. Yeah, I forgot to say yesterday there was a house next to this Mexican restaurant that was burning down. Thankfully the fire department was already there, so I could keep going on my way, but yikes, you never know what you're gonna see. Only had to wait a few minutes to get Los Loras, so that was pretty awesome. Going to drop it off right now. Fun fact, if you've got the big Grubhub bag, you can kind of make that into a backpack. It sits low and you don't want to do it for a while, but it's better than carrying it over your shoulder. So give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. Dropped off Las Loras before the hour's done. That means we made our goal of about $18 per hour. Try to make 110 per day. Oh, got an offer. Let's go. It's Cold Stone Creamery for $8. I'm going against my better judgment in taking it. One, it's gonna make good content. I don't know how I'm gonna handle it. I need to learn how to handle it. So let's go get some ice cream, guys. I had a feeling it would be terrible. It was terrible. Here's why. So Cold Stone did a great job. They're awesome. They pack it up. It's great. It's not an ice cream cone. It's not gonna drip over. It's actually packaged well. The drop-off was 2 minutes away. Should have been fine. I thought it was Adventureland in parking lot. Turns out it's the Adventureland campground behind it, which is terrible to navigate if you don't know it. So if it's in lot I, you look for the huge post that has the letter in the middle of the circle. Really, I mean, it's terrible. There's no way around it. So If you have a bad feeling about something, usually it's going to come true. But we made it through. We got him his ice cream before it melted to oblivion. So another trip, another skill. Now I can take ice cream and not freak out about it. I don't know what the Sugar Shack Diner is in Altoona, but we're about to go there for $11. Let's do it. Sugar Shack was closed for Father's Day, so I had to put in couldn't deliver because closed for holidays. Doesn't affect my acceptance rating, but it does take away a few minutes from my time. So sad to say that customer will not be getting their food either. So restaurants, turn off your tablets if you're closed. Come on.